Oh my god, it's delicious!
Welcome to Ayeeng's Kitchen! Today we're gonna be going to Korea. I want to share with you today the famous bibimbap.
Well, bibimbap actually means mixed rice.
Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna be marinating the meat. Today we're gonna be using ground chicken, but you can use any meat that you want. You could use ground beef, or you could even use slices of beef, pork, or chicken. So we're gonna be marinating now. So we're gonna be using 3 tablespoons of soy sauce.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. A tablespoon of sesame oil.
Yeah.
A tablespoon of mirin.
What's this, rice wine?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to tell.
And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Half a teaspoon of grated ginger and half a teaspoon of minced garlic. So we're just gonna mix all of this.
We will put this on the side while we prepare the sauce and the vegetables.
So now we're gonna be making the sauce for the bibimbap, which is called the gochujang.
We're going to be using 2 tablespoons of gochujang, half a tablespoon of soy sauce, 1/2 small apple, and 1/2 small onion, 1.5 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, and 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and of course dash of pepper. Oh, we forgot to add 2 cloves of garlic, and then we can just blend it again, okay?
So we're gonna be using all these veggies for our bibimbap. We have the shiitake mushroom, we have the yellow squash, we have the zucchini, we have the red bell pepper, and we have some carrots. And we're gonna be slicing this up. Ooh, that was fast. So you make a julienne cut on all the veggies, and then now we're ready to saute it. So aside from using all these veggies, we're gonna be using these bean sprouts also. So we're gonna use like a teaspoon of sesame oil and drop the bean sprouts. We have it on medium heat only. We have a little bit of soy sauce. And let's put a little bit of sesame seeds. So you transfer this to a separate bowl. Okay, so next we're gonna work on the other veggies. So let's do the white ones, you know, the lighter ones that won't stain the other veggies. So we're gonna do the zucchini. Okay, make sure you season all the veggies when you're sauteing it. So you got your yellow squash, carrots, bell peppers, and mushrooms.
Okay, now we're going to be cooking the chicken. Make sure that the pan is really, really hot, okay? Put that here.
So just mix it.
Well, we need to just go fast forward. Okay, we'll keep on mixing probably around another 5 minutes. You notice the juice? The juice is starting to reduce. Okay, it's ready now. It took maybe what, tops 15 minutes?
Yeah.
And I need to taste it first.
Yeah.
I'm just a little
You always
curious.
have to taste what you're cooking.
Oh my god, it's delicious.
It's good?
So good, so good. It's really delicious.
So we have a bowl of steamed rice. You can use brown rice or even cauliflower rice. So start spreading the vegetables around the bowl, but make sure that you don't put the same color beside each other. This bibimbap is like an art because of all these colorful vegetables. So just take your time, put the carrots, the pepper, the yellow squash, and then you have also the mushrooms. There you go. And then now you can put the ground chicken in the middle. And don't forget the egg. This is a full meal. You have all your proteins, you have some carbs, and you have all these veggies, vitamin A, B, C, D, E. Now pour over the gochujang sauce and you're ready to eat it.
The way you eat this one is like you mix everything all together. You break the yolk and then just go
Chak.
chak.
I like the chak.
And then just mix everything. What you want to taste? Did you see that licking?
No.
The sauce is so good. It's not that spicy.
Yeah.
But if you want it spicy, just add more paste to the sauce that we made.
No. Okay.
So good.
So good. Well, anyway, I hope you liked the bibimbap recipe that we presented to you today.
And you know, this dish is like a very special dish that you can prepare any day. You could do it on weeknights or you can do it on weekends with your family. And it can be also for parties. You can have it as your bibimbap station and you'll be the star of the party. If you like our video today, please like, subscribe, and share. And please don't forget to press the notification bell so you get updated with our videos.
See you next time.
감사합니다.